हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। बच्चों, आज का टॉपिक है सिलिकॉन्स। इट्स जनरल फॉर्मूला इज R2SiO whole n. Now let's compare silicons with silicon. Silicon is an element. We all know its symbol is Si. It belongs to 14th group of the periodic table and its electronic configuration is 284. Now let's compare silicon with silicones. See, there is a difference of only two letters. In silicons, we have to write Es, and in silicon, there is no Es. Now, silicon is hard metalloid because it exhibits the property of both metals as well as non-metals. Now, it is bluish gray tinge, means this element has bluish gray tinge. Now, let's come to our main topic, silicons. Now, here you can see we have written N, whole N. That means it is a polymer having R2SiO units. That means R2SiO units goes on repeating. Now, R2SiO units are held by SiOSi. Si stands for silicon, O for oxygen, again silicon. So these links, they get repeated again and again, which gives rise to a polymer having formula R2SiO whole N. Now let's see the third point, students. R2SiO. This is the empirical formula and this resembles ketone. We know the functional group of ketone is C double bond O. Of course, these two valencies are satisfied by R, alkyl group. Now let's see how these silicones are prepared. Now silicones are prepared by reacting silicon, sorry, not silica, it is silicone with 2 moles of alkyl halide. Here we have taken chloride in presence of copper powder at 537 Kelvin. So what happens here? Now you can see when we get dialkyl dichlorosilicon, which on further hydrolysis gives dialkyl dihydroxysilicon. Now let's see how this polymer is formed. Now here you can see this point. Silicon, we know valency is 4. It is satisfied by O. 2 valencies are satisfied by oxygen and 2 are satisfied by R. Now when these two units, they combine together, a water molecule is lost. You can see these two molecules, they combine together and a water molecule is lost. Minus H2O means water molecule gets removed and we get a long chain of silicon. Now here you focus on this bond, SiO-Si bond, SiO-Si bond, SiO-Si bond. In this way SiO-Si bond gets repeated and thus we get silicones. Now let's see the properties of silicones. Children, silicones are inert towards chemicals. So this property is used in industries, chemical industries, because they are inert, they are also used in cosmetics. So I have brought one example for you. You can see it is the lid of a face wash. You can see here, I hope this is clear to you. It is the lid of a face wash. You can see the soft bristles. It is used to clean the face. Okay, it is made up of silicone. It is chemically inert. It is not harmful to the body tissues. Now, therefore, it is also used in making lids of cooking containers, bowls, etc. Even for using this spatula, in spatula also this silicone is used because it is not harmful and it is inert towards chemicals. Let's see the second point. It doesn't dissolve in body fats. So this property of silicones is used in making artificial body parts which can be implanted within the body because they do not react with body fats. They do not get dissolved in body fats. Now they are thermally stable. So therefore they are used in cooking utensils also because they can resist high temperature. They are electrically insulating. So this property is also used in making several appliances. They are water repelling. This water repelling properties of silicone is used in making paints, etc. So here you can see silicones are very useful compounds. You will find this topic in P block of class 11th and 12th in group 14. Students, I hope this topic is clear to you. Any confusion, any doubt, please comment. Thank you all for your valuable time. See you all again in the next video. Thank you.